Hello all the lovely people in the world! This is Minnie with Kimi ni Todoke episode 2! So, how hyper did I sound just now? I mean, I am pretty happy right now though because it's the weekend! Hooray! Okay, let's get back on track. Last episode was Valentine's Day. This episode is pretty much, the first day of school. Since I don't want to waste any more of your time, and I have to sing some songs after this, I'll just mention some highlights that caught my attention. First of all, Sawako is as wonderful this season as she was last season. Did I mention she's one of my favorite shoujo heroines of all time? Well, if not, now you know. It's just that when you're so used to bratty, immature, selfish heroines in your shoujo, Sawako is just a breath of fresh air. She's mature and selfless and is such a good character in general. I mean, it's hard to find a nice character who isn't pretending to be nice or is so nice that it feels a little fake. You know, like Toru Honda from Fruit Basket. Sawako, however, does it just right in my opinion. Besides Sawako, there's another star of this episode. And no, it's not good old Kazehaya. It's Yanochi! So why is Yanochi so great? Because even though she has her own story going on, she is more involved in Sawako's story. And not in a bad way either. She goes out of her way for Kazehaya and Sawako. And it's thanks to her that we get a third perspective on our OTP. I mean, come on now, you can't really hate a girl who can pull off a scam like she did with Pin, and that is just major brownie points for me. Other than that, it's all about the romance. We want the main two together already, but that can't happen yet until they figure everything out. Most likely having to do with both having shy and modesty issues with a tinge of uncertainty and misunderstanding all over. Oh god, it's high school romance all over again. How I miss it. Not really. Only in anime form. Just do it. You know you want to.